and
I'm Chad.
so today we are here in beautiful Brunswick, Maryland at Beans in the Belfry having some breakfast. After yesterday, Chad had a big surprise for me for our first wedding anniversary, which is today. He took us up here and we did the AT Flip Flop Festival and had our pack shakedown and, you know, I guess kind of weighed and all that good stuff. And, you know, got to do some other fun things. So we have, I guess this is our official announcement. Yes, we will be hiking the Appalachian Trail. I'm sure most of you know that. And our timeline will be, we'll start walking on June 25th and hopefully returning on either Christmas Day or the day after. And yeah, so that's our timeline. And the announcement that we really wanted to make was that we just started our Through Hike YouTube channel. For friends and family to be able to follow us along the trail. And we've also started an Instagram page for our hike called Cham on the Trail. So that's all one word, Cham on the Trail.
C-H-A-M.
C-H-A-M. So if for anyone who doesn't know what Cham is, that's just our mashup name. Like Benifer and what's some other fun ones. Anyway, Cham, that's our mashup name as a couple. And so yeah, this is what we're doing, and we're super excited to share it with you guys. We love all of our friends and family so much, and yeah, judging by yesterday and everything we've seen and the people we've met, we're gonna need a lot of emotional support for this. This is going to be a huge undertaking for us. So thank you so much in advance for following and any encouragement you all have. And yeah, we love you guys.